Okay, now let's take a look at another choke. Now, if you aren't able to apply the triangle choke, you may be able to use this one. This is called the Fang Choke. Now, it's a little awkward at first because you need to bring the butt end of your stick around his neck. In order to do this, as you can see, you're going to have to move your hand up. You need an excessive amount of stick on the end from what you would normally have. This is not a blood choke. The end of your stick comes down onto his trachea. You're actually pressing or crushing the trachea with this choke. Notice how you need to stabilize his head so that he can't turn it. Now it's a little awkward and it does take some practice, but your right hand is the pivot point, and that should be pressed against the back of his neck. Then you simply pull with your left hand. This drives the end of the stick into his throat. Notice how I pull him in and put his head alongside of mine to keep it from moving. Now once you start pressing on the windpipe, your partner will start choking and gagging, so be very careful with this. Don't do it hard. Now, even without the Fang Choke, he's going to try to push away. Nobody wants to stay pulled in like that. So as he pushes up, you're going to release with your right hand and then slide the stick across his throat. From there, you simply smash it into his throat or windpipe.